everyone, this is Shirley. In this class, we are going to really challenge the balance. We are going to start today's practice by simply standing nice and tall. Close eyes. As you can see, I have no yoga mat today. We can do balance yoga poses on or off the yoga mat, or just whatever you want to do. Breathe in and out. Take a moment and just feel your body. Because your emotional body or physical body has so much to do with what happens in our balanced practice today. Balance is not something that we find. It's not hiding anywhere. It's something we have to build. Something that we have to work on daily. Balance changes from day to day. Some days you need every pose, and some days you don't even recognize your body. I want you to accept your body exactly as it is. So whatever it brings you today, we just be grateful for the practicing and be grateful for the move and the flow and learn a little bit more about ourselves. Nice. And slowly open your eyes. Inhale. Raise both arms overhead, palms facing each other. Exhale. Bend to the left. Lift the chest. Keep knees together. Hold the position using your oblique muscles. Inhale. Back to the center. Exhale. Bend to the right and feel stretch on the right side of body. Lift the chest, knees together. Hold the position for a while. Inhale, back to the center. Inhale, raise both arms overhead, palms facing each other. Exhale, bend to the left. Lift the chest, keep knees together. Hold the position using your oblique muscles. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, bend to the right and feel stretch on the right side of body. Lift the chest, knees together. Hold the position for a while. Inhale, back to the center and facing left. Balance poses are difficult because they require not only leg strength but also core strength. Chair pose. Raise your arms overhead. Bend your knees as much as possible. Try to sit back. Look up. Hold for a while. Slightly arch your back. Exhale. Straight legs and bending down. Keeping your back flat. Shoulder relaxed. Draw the belly towards the thighs. Head hangs freely. Keep position for a while and keep stress on the back of legs. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, all the way up, palms down to the heart. Exhale. Chair pose. Raise your arms overhead. Bend your knees as much as possible. Try to sit back. Look up. Hold for a while. Slightly arch your back. Exhale. Straight legs and bending down. Keeping your back flat. Shoulder relaxed. Draw the belly towards the thighs. Head hangs freely. Keep position for a while and keep stress on the back of legs. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, all the way up, palms down to the heart. Exhale. Stretch arms to the sides, parallel to the floor. Put the left elbows over right one and press palms together. Bend the knees slightly. Lift right foot and cross right thighs over the left. Hold for a while. Breathe in. Keep the thighs together. Engage your core. Palms pressed together. Release. Change. Right elbows over left one. Palms together. Lift the left foot and cross left thighs over the right. Thighs pressed together. This is a great option among the yoga balance poses. If you work at a desk job for several hours to enhance the flexibility of your arms and shoulders. Exhale, change. Stretch arms to the sides. Put the left elbows over right one and press palms together. Knees slightly bend. Lift the right foot and cross the right side over the left. Hook the right foot on your left calf for a more advanced option. Keep breathing. Chest lift and try to sit down and hold balance. Change. Put right elbows over left one. Palms together. Lift left foot and cross the left thighs over the right. Thumbs pressed together. Hold the left foot on your right calf with the palms pressed together. Lift up the elbows and stretch the fingers up. Stay in the position for a while. Release. Now we are taking more challenge. Dance pose. Bend your right knee, grab your right foot with your right hand. Lean forwards as you kick your right foot into your right hand and lift your right foot. Keep kicking. Hold balance. Release. Change. Bend your left knee. Grab your left foot with your left hand. Lean forward as you kick your left foot into your left hand. And lift your left foot. Look straight. Keep kicking and kicking. Release. Warrior 3. Raise your arms overhead and cross fingers. Right foot step forward at least 15 centimeters. Reach out in front of you as you slowly lift your back leg off the ground. Torso, arms, and free-floating legs should be parallel to the floor. Exhale. Back to the center. Change. Other side. Cross finger, left foot step forward. Slowly lift your back leg off the ground. Up body, arms, leg, parallel to floor. Keep your arms overhead. Release. Exhale. Arms down. Tree pose. Reach down with your left hand and place your left foot on your ankle, shin, or inner thigh, as I do, not on your knee. Place your hands at the heart center. Square your hips forward. Draw the belly in. Keep balance. Right foot grounded as a tree root. Hold for a while. Relax. Left foot down. Change. Other side. Reach down with your right hand and place your right foot on your inner thigh. Place your hands at heart center. Square your hips forward. Draw the belly in. Lift rib cage. Keep upper body straight and tall. Hold for a while. Release. Right foot back to the ground. Warrior 2. Step left foot to the side 3 to 4 feet apart. Bend your left knees to 90 degrees, arms up and parallel to ground. Square your hips to the side and gaze on your left hand. Facing to left and back heel down. Rise both arms up. Exhale. Arms come back like wings. Inhale, chest up, hands up. Exhale. Wheels out. Now go for 3. Inhale, gaze up, exhale. 2. Inhale, gaze from, exhale, come back. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. Now, both hands on the ground. Right back leg towards the sky or as high as your flexibility allows, without rotating your hips open to the side. Exhale. Leg down to the ground and forward fold. Inhale. Rise body up and heart to the heart center. Change. Other side. Come to the warrior 2. Bend your knees to 90 degrees. Square your hips to the side. Facing to the right. Rise both arms up. Exhale, arms back. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, gaze down. Go for 3. Inhale, exhale. Last 2. Inhale and exhale. Last 1. Inhale, chest up, exhale, look down. Very nice. Now, both hands on the ground. Right back leg towards the sky or as high as your flexibility allows, without rotating your hips open to the side. Hold for a while. Keep breathing. Exhale. Leg down to the ground and forward fold. Inhale. Rise body up and hands to the heart center. Standing up straight, close your eyes. Sweep palms up and relax. Palms down to heart center. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Palms down. We go for 3 more. This balance yoga sequence has the most challenging positions because they use huge amount of stretch on the leg as well as much flexibility in the upper body. By practicing these poses, you will improve your balance in no time. How was your experience today? Let me know in the comments. Have you enjoyed this yoga flow? Please like it. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking forward to see you next time.